Hello everyone, this side Shivam from Shivam Universe, and today I am going to discuss about hackers. Who are they, what they want, are hackers good or bad, type of hackers. In this session we are going to discuss all these things about the hackers. So basically today's video is mainly in 2 or 3 parts and many subparts. So let's move to our first part, that is who are hackers. So friends, the word hackers was first used by MIT student Fred Shapiro in 1963 when someone used their local radar to long distance calls. So basically hacker is a programmer or coder who uses his skills to gain access to a system or server and gathers the information about the system. By exploiting vulnerabilities and the security loopholes, he breaks into the system with enough technical and programming knowledge. But he is not always bad. He might be hacked to save someone's data from being leaked and from stealing money. So friends, now I have tell you the basic information about who are the hackers. Now let's move to our second part of this session, that is type of hackers in the world. So friends, there are many type of hackers in the world. On the basis of their classification, they may be good or bad ones. Hackers are classified mainly into three categories. First we will start with bad ones, that are black hat hackers. They hack system to their own advantage. They stole personal data of organization or other and blackmail them for stuff or money. They are bad, they are anonymous, no one knows who they are. It is very difficult to catch them. Without any permission, they can cause huge loss, but worst part is that they are everywhere around the world. A black hat hacker or crackers are individuals with extraordinary computing skills or destructive activities. That is, black hat hackers use their knowledge and skill for their own personal gains and probably by hurting others. According to statistics, 4,000 ransomware cyber attacks happen every day since the beginning of 2016. These hackers are highly dangerous and try to stay away from them. Now let's move to our next type of hacker, that is white hat hackers. They are good ones. They hack into system but to not the exploit their vulnerabilities. In fact, they test the security and servers and security loopholes and report them to a company or organization owning that system so that they may patch them or improve them. And the most importantly, they have written permission from the company who allows them to hack the system. They don't do anything illegal. They are ones who called ethical hacker. They are also paid a huge amount of money for that. So they are good hackers helping the company to improve their system. This means that the white hat hackers use their knowledge and skill for the good of others and for the common good. Now let's move to our next type of hackers, that are grey hat hackers. They are not good nor bad. They not hacking for any company. They exploit vulnerabilities but not for their advantage. They just do it for fun or trolling. They don't have any permission. They are illegal somewhere, but also they don't cause any harm. They are neutral. There is no profit for these type of hackers unless they ultimately turn into white hat hackers or black hat hackers. We cannot predict their behavior. Sometimes they use their skills for the common good, while in some other times he uses them for personal gains. There is another side category of hackers, that is crackers. They too are black hat hackers. Crackers bypass the security and break into the system and intentionally exploit them. They can make their own profits. They also help criminals or even black hat hackers in bypassing the security of the system. Now let us summarize these all three type of hackers. So at all, whether hackers are good, bad ones or neutral, but they cannot be stopped. If we simply use the word hacker, it indicates that black hat hacker. Black hat hackers enjoy money but not the fame. White hat hackers are good ones, helping the companies and various organizations to be safe. So it's better to use your skills and knowledge to do something good for others as well as for yourself. If anyone wants to be a hacker, become an ethical hacker. So friends, now we are going to discuss some of the cyber attacks made by the black hat hackers around the world. So first attack, that is Adobe. It was happened in October 2013. 153 million user record was stolen of Adobe company. So friends, you can read it here. So our second attack, that is Canva. This was happened in May 2019. Around 137 million user accounts were stolen. Our third is Equifax. It was happened in 29 July 2017. Around 147 million consumers data is breached from this company. Our next is Merit International, and next is NetAce. So friends, these are the cyber attacks that are attacked by the black hat hackers around the world. This is all about hackers. That's it for today's session. Make sure to like and subscribe for more such technical videos. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching, goodbye.